Hello again. This is a Sunday morning. Yeah, it's Sunday morning, like around 10. So now we have two birds. There's two birds now. I guess the other one has joined the lovebird of trying to find a partner in the mirror. The one is not as active as the other one. Oh, there's number three. I guess we have visitors. What's good is that these birds can't see me because this is a mirror and window type of ceiling. Today I decided to try and get close. I'm sure they're gonna sense me. I don't know, but I will attempt to get a nice peak view of this bird that is in love with itself for around a week or two now. It's been doing this. Yeah, it's been an interesting thing watching these birds. Actually, one bird, but I'm guessing there's a gang now. Everybody's just trying to find a partner within their own reflection. It's. I'm going to research what type of bird is this, and then of course, write it in the description. I'm not a bird expert, and I'm just very curious about what's happening in terms of what this bird is going through. So yeah, I mean, I still do have that broken glass, which I still suspect it's been caused by this bird, which I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. I don't know. I mean, who has more of a tendency to fall in love with their own reflection, a boy or a girl? Possibly a boy. So yeah, that is Lovebird week 2 starting and ending. I will keep you updated on this event of the Lovebird.